Here we're looking at Great Panther Silver, and this is one that's had a pretty good move to the downside. But in reality, it's broken in a short amount of time, from 60 cents all the way down to 30 cents. I think it's overextended here, and I really think that we saw a drastic move to the downside, coming back a little bit, and this is one that is trying to is starting to recover at this as this tries to rally back a little bit. Still think it's very vulnerable to continue, to trying to make a turn here, because I do think that it's has run its course, in my opinion, and I think it's starting to try to make a break back to the other side here. I think it's going to start to really kind of take a nice move higher after a pretty good decline. I mean, from 60 cents to 30 cents, that's half of the move here, and that's very significant, I think. And we've been talking about gold and silver getting very close to a low. We also talked about the fact that the move that we're going to be seeing probably in gold could be a short-term four and a very small short-term four wave, and then you could see the final five a little bit after, and that kind of moves into the time frame of this August time frame. I'm also thinking that if this is very close to the five low or around that, it still makes kind of sense to get position in here, and then see what and just realize what we could be up against over the next week or so. But I think after in the next coming month, we should start to see some really big improvements in the overall market here. In this, because this stock is very cheap, or relatively cheap. Please don't overextend yourself in this situation, because they are risky at this range. But I just felt this one could make a significant move, or potentially has that potential. We're going to get positioned here in Great Panther.